Hello and welcome to my video on how to change a capacitor on a Hayward Super Pump. First, turn off the power to the pool pump at the circuit breaker. Next, remove the two screws on the back of the motor cover to access the capacitor. Look for the large black cylinder on the side of the motor compartment. That is your pump's motor capacitor. Before removing the capacitor, discharge the stored energy inside the capacitor by shorting two of the terminals with a screwdriver. Place a rag over the capacitor and wear eye protection before shorting the terminals. Remove the single screw that holds the plastic insulator and capacitor in place. Note how the plastic insulator is positioned before you remove it. It has to go on the same way to prevent the terminals from touching the metal parts of the motor body. Remove the leads to the capacitor. Note the position of the leads so you can reattach them in the right order after the new capacitor is in place. Next, reinstall the metal hold-down clamp and the plastic insulator in the original position. Finally, replace the cover and turn the power back on.